right, so big news, big updates. We have closed on the property. We sent in the deposit, sent in all the paperwork, and I guess tomorrow we're moving our camper to our new home site. And like I said in the previous video, the home supply stores will be your friend. And now we need to make a little fence around our camper so that our dogs don't drive us crazy. So we're gonna get some 4-foot tall field fencing and a bunch of these posts. We're gonna do a post about every 8 feet and then 200 feet of fencing to start and make a spot around the camper so we can let the dogs out and they go do their stuff. But yeah, we closed on the property. Now the fun part, construction. You know, it might not be practical, but it might be fun to go through the woods on this. The Home Depot to use my Pro Rewards to let my money make me some money to spend more on construction. So the other store, Lowe's, I hate that store, but the Garden Center has really good prices on stuff. However, I'm a Home Depot Pro Rewards member because I'm an electrician, you know, wire stuff. But if I spend money at the Home Depot, I get money back at the end of things. So every time I can spend here, we will.